Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are learning Surah Maida, ayah number 18 and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وقالت اليهود والنصارى نحن أبناء الله. For wow, circle your lips. The makhraj of wow, circling your lips, fatha upon your jaws. The sound is short. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws. Because of qaf, this alif is heavy too. Make it 2 counts long. La for fatha upon jaws. Til for kasra, give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa up tawassut. The tawassut is medium flow of sound. Til, this l sound is tawassut. Here, keep soft because you are lifting your tongue up towards palate, but this tongue is not touching the palate. That is making very soft sound. Yeah. Who for the circular lips, make it 2 counts long. Do for the circular lips, the sound is short. One makhraj of wow is circling your lips. For tha open jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. One. And for fatha, the sound is short. Na, sa, sad is heavy. Make it 2 counts long. Ra, 2 counts long. And ra is heavy. Nah, for fatha open jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rahawa and rahawa and hams. Nah, nu for dhamma circle lips. Ab hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached. Ba will get sifa of qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. When you are opening your makhraj, here comes qalqala. Ab na 4 counts long. Mad muttasil wajib. Na keep hamza light, but lafz jalala will be heavy here because you can find dhamma before it. Give tawassut first. Allah, then make it heavy and 2 counts long. He for kasra, give e sound. Makhraj of wow is circling your lips. So fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws. Hib, give hams in ha and give kasra a sound of e, and then attach it ba. Hib, and the sound will be very much trapped because ba is very shadid letter, very strong letter. Hib, and then ba, 4 counts long. Mad muttasil wajib. Ba. Keep hamza very sharp for the circle lips. Attach with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa because ha is with sukoon because of the waqf. Ul, qaf is heavy for the circle lips attached with lam. Keep lam light, but keep qaf heavy. Ul, give tawassut here. Lam. Fa, give hams on fa. Whenever you look on fa, you are giving hams. Whenever you find fa in any form, you are giving hams. Fa, li, for kasra, give e sound. Ma, for fatha open jaws. You give, very soft for the circle lips. Al, the ain should be from your throat. For fatha open jaws, attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of rakhawa. And rakhawa is flow of sound. The for kasra, give e sound. With kasra, the sound is very short. The bu for the circle lips. Kum for the circle lips. And this is ikhfa shafawi. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Kum. B for kasra, give e sound. Du for the circle lips. The sound is light. Du, nu for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. D for kasra, give e sound. Kum for the circle lips, attach with meme. You are giving sukoon here, so keep the wasut on meme. Kum. Bel for fatha upon jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws, and this ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight. Antum for dhamma circle your lips because of ikhfa shafa, you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Tum ba for fatha open jaws, the sound is very sharp. Sh for fatha open jaws, give the first she. Sh Urum for the circle lips attached with meme, you will get sifa of gunna. And this gunna is akmal because of this idgham. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Urum mi for kasra, give e sound. Man for fatha open jaws. Sorry, meme. This meme is attached with meme. This is gunna, akmal gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Man for fatha open jaws attached with noon, noon will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Kha, keep kha, e for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Laqa, keep lam light because it is between two heavy letters. We tend to make lam heavy too, but don't do that. Keep lam light. And give qalqala on qaf because there is sukoon on qaf because of the, and whenever qaf gets a sukoon, it gets qalqala automatically. Khalaqa, khalaqa. Keep ya soft for fatha open jaws attached to ghain. Ghain will get sifa of rakhawa. Fi for kasra, give e sound with hums. Fi oru for dhamma circle lips. Li for kasra, give e sound. Mai for fatha open jaws, and this is idgham, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mai, yeah, for fatha open jaws, and keep ya very soft. You're lifting your tongue up towards the palate, but it is not touching, and the muscles of your tongue are very soft. That is making ya very soft letter. Yeah, sha, 4 counts long. Mad muttasil wajib. Sha'u for the circle lips. Wa for waw circle lips. For fatha open jaws. You keep ya very soft for the circle lips. The sound is short. Ain from your throat. For fatha open jaws attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of rakhawa. And rakhawa is flow of sound, so it should be hearable very nicely. And then for kasra, give e sound, and the sound is short. The wu for the circle lips. The sound is short. May idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. May, yeah, keep ya soft for fatha open jaws. Sha. If you find Hamza and you're giving waqf on Hamza, and before that you find mad letter, so you will give nabar on Hamza. This combination brings in a nabar, and you are giving nabar on Hamza. Yasha. This, yes. What is nabar? So nabar is jump of sound. When you are attaching this, you are coming towards Hamza, you are giving nabar, and there is cut of sound too because Hamza is a sharp letter. Yasha. Wa for waw circle lips for fatha open jaws. Il for kasra, give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Lil, and then it is long and 2 counts long, and this is light. Lafz jilala is light because there is kasra before it. Lillahi for kasra, give e sound. Mul for dhamma circle lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. Kus for dhamma circle lips attached with sin. Sin will get sifa of rakhawa and safir, and it is light. Kus. With fatha, the sound is short. Ma, 2 counts long. Wa, circle your lips for fatha. For circle your lips for wow. The makhraj of wow is circling your lips. For fatha, open your jaws and make it 2 counts long. Wa, til for kasra, give e. Sorry, T for kasra, give e sound. The sound is short. Well, for makhraj of wow, circling your lips. For fatha, open jaws, attach it lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Well, out. Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with ra. Ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it, and ra will get the wasut because there is sukoon on ra. Li for kasra give e sound. The sound is short. Wa for makhraj of waw circle in your lips. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Wa ma 2 counts long. Bay. This is lean, so you're keeping the sound soft and long. Bay. Na for fatha upon jaws. Who for the circular lips, the sound is short. Ma 2 counts long. Wa makhraj of waw circling your lips. Fatha upon jaws. E for kasra give e sound. Lay. Make it 2 counts long and make it soft because this is lean. Yeah, lean. Lay. Heel. For kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. And tawassut is medium flow of sound. Ma for fatha upon jaws. Sleep. Make sad heavy. And because of this temporary sukoon which you are giving because of the waqf on ra, this has changed in this 2 counts long vowel. This is a 2 count long vowel. This temporary sukoon has changed this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. This is called madarid li sukoon, and ra will be light because there is ya before it, and ra will get sifa of tawassut because ra is getting sukoon. مصير. وقالت اليهود والنصارى نحن أبناء الله وأحباؤه قل فلم يعذبكم بذنوبكم بل أنتم بشر ممن خلق يغفر لمن يشاء ويعذب من يشاء ولله ملك السماوات والأرض وما بينهما وإليه المصير. Yeah, 4 counts long. Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of rukhawa, and rukhawa is flow of sound. Lal for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Ki for kasra give e sound. Ta 2 counts long. Bi for kasra give e sound. Qad. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala. And dal, keep dal light. Because of qaf, we tend to make dal heavy too. Don't do that. Qad. Ja. For fatha upon jaws, make it 4 counts long. Mad muttasil wajib. For fatha upon jaws. Kum for the circular lips attached with meme, we will get sifa of tawassut. Ra is heavy for fatha upon jaws. Su for the circular lips, make it 2 counts long. Lu for the circular lips. Na 2 counts long. Ew for the circular lips, the sound is soft and short. Bay for fatha upon jaws attached with ya. Here you are giving number. Whenever ya and waw are with tashdid, will give number, and number is jump of sound. Bay. And then for kasra, the sound will be soft and regular. E, nu for the circular lips. La for fatha upon jaws. Kum for the circular lips attached with meme, you will get sifa of tawassut. The tawassut is medium flow of sound. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws. La 2 counts long. Fats give hums on fa for fatha upon jaws attached with ta. Ta will get sifa of hums. Fats. Ra. Ra is heavy for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Im for kasra give e sound and then attach with meme. This is idgham, and this idgham is with akmal gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Im mi for kasra give e sound. Now keep noon light, but ra will be heavy because ra is with dhamma. Now give tawassut first. Now uru, then ra for dhamma, the sound will be short and heavy. Uru, su, keep seen light. For dhamma circle lips, make it short. Su, li, for kasra give e sound. Hamza is very sharp, and this coming up ikhfa is very soft. So keep this your tongue straight. Ta ta. Uh, Ta is a very sharp letter. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Ooh, for dhamma circle lips and make it 2 counts long. Lu for dhamma circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Ma 2 counts long and make it soft. Ma ja mad muttasil wajib, so keep make it 4 counts long. Ja and don't merge this hamza into this mud letter. Make it very separate and sharp. Ja na 2 counts long. Mim for kasra give e sound and attach it. Mim, this is iqlab. 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 Mim. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mim ba for fatha open jaws. She 2 counts long. Rim rium. Give kasra on this ra. Give e sound and then attach it wow. This is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Rium. For fatha open jaws. La 2 counts long. And make it long, and yes. Na for fatha open jaw. Give the wasut on ra because you are giving sukoon on ra. This temporary sukoon has changed this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts, and this is what mada arid lil sukoon. Nadir, and give the wasut on ra because it is with sukoon now. Fa, give hams on fa for fatha open jaws. Qadir, for qaf is heavy for fatha open jaws. Attach it dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala. Qadir ja 4 counts long. Mad muttasil wajib. Jaa. Keep the strongness of hamza very clear. Kum for the circle lips, and this is ikhfa shafawi, so keep the sound in your nose. Kum ba for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. She 2 counts long. Rum idgham bitgunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Rum wa for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Na for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Dhir, giving temporary sukoon on ra. This temporary sukoon has changed. This 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarid li sukoon. And because of sukoon on ra, it will get tawassut, and ra will be light because there is ya before it. Nadir. Wow, keep a wow light, and for fatha open jaws and attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut first, and that will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Wow. La 2 counts long. Hu for the circle lips. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. La 2 counts long. Kul for the circle lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Kul li for kasra give e sound. Shay for fatha open jaws attached with ya. Make it long and make it soft because this is her lean. Shay for kasra give e sound and make it heavy because this ikhfa is heavy. There's ikhfa going on. This ikhfa is heavy, so lift your tongue up nicely. Qaf is heavy. Fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Dir. giving temporary sukoon on ra because of this waqf. And this temporary sukoon has changed this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts. This is mad arid li sukoon. And this ra will be light and it will get the wasat. يا أهل الكتاب قد جاءكم رسولنا يبين لكم على فترة من الرسل أن تقولوا ما جاءنا من بشير ولا نذير فقد جاءكم بشير ونذير والله على كل شيء قدير. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.